Hello, and welcome to the demonstration video for the Boeing Electronic Scanning Tool, or BEST. This tool was created by Chris Powell, Eric Pickford, Patrick Grimes, Alex Smythe, and Tori Jones. The Boeing Electronic Scanning Tool is an automated asynchronous scanning tool that is used to ensure compliance with cybersecurity standards on computer information systems. The tool begins by prompting a user for some manually entered information such as a file name and employee ID. Then, the system begins to execute the automatic scan utility. The system automatically scans for relevant system information such as patching, versioning, networking, and security information. Once this is complete, the scan is saved into an intermediary storage solution until it can then be uploaded or deleted. Once the upload button is clicked and the scan is selected, it is uploaded to a cloud SQL database where the information from the scan can be used to ensure compliance with cybersecurity standards.